To confirm if the returned part is a Spectra Premium product, the part must have at least one of the following identification labels or stamping. The product has a label with a Spectra Premium part number. The SPI letters engraved on the flange. SPI and the part number engraved on the bowl. The product has a label with a Spectra Premium logo. This module was returned as defective. As we can see, the strainer is contaminated with rust and dirt coming from the fuel tank. Here, this alleged faulty electrical fuel pump inlet is clogged, caused by contamination of the fuel system. When a fuel pump is returned, make sure to turn it upside down. Any debris or rust falling from the bowl are signs of fuel tank contamination. When fuel pump tubes such as the supply or return are broken, look for installation signs. These signs confirm that this happened during the installation. Dirt and scratches around the flange on the top cover are signs that pressure was applied to the tubes during installation. Many pumps are returned as defective but have no signs of fuel on the strainer. All protective wrapping still on the unit. No traces of installation on the fuel lines and on the electrical connector. These pumps have never been installed, so please do not return them as defective. The following pumps are not Spectra Premium products. As mentioned earlier on how to identify Spectra Premium pumps, here are a few tips. Other brand names can be found on the top cover. On this hanger, no SPI engravement can be found on the flange. Spectra Premium never uses this type of rheostat. A new, improved fuel pump connector was introduced to prevent electrical terminals from overheating. This pump was returned because the instructions have not been followed, causing the terminals to overheat.